I want to welcome everyone to the channel. This is Bus Stock Garage, or BS Garage. My name is Matt. We're going to be doing, on this channel, we're going to be doing all kinds of stuff from LS swaps to chassis swaps, body swaps. Once we get to it once Danielle's done, I just finished up an 87 Camaro. It's got an all aluminum 5.3 in it from a Trailblazer. It's got the stage 2 cam, 600 Beehive springs with LS7 lifters. It's got a turbo 400 full manual TCI valve body that I built. I put a couple YouTube shorts on it. I'll give you guys a better view of it once the weather gets a little bit better. Been a little cold here lately where I'm from. But Danielle here, it's got a 4.8 in it, 4.8 with a 4L80, and it's got 373 gears. It was already on there from factory. And I went with a 4.8. I know this is a big heavy girl, but I went with the 4.8 to see what she can do, because eventually I'm thinking about turboing it. Not right off. I want to get it all running and drive it around a little bit, just cruise it. Mainly building it to take to shows and stuff, and take trips and stuff with the family. Promote what I do. I don't got a very big garage. I'm used to having a real big garage, but we just recently moved. And this old girl takes up almost all of it. If I push it on the dollies all the way against the wall, I can put my other car in here, but then you have no room to work on anything. But just want to introduce myself and what we're going to be doing. We'll be doing a few different things. I got some other projects that's setting at my dad's out. We got a 57 GMC. It's a factory 1-ton that we're going to be putting the body over either on an 05 or 06 chassis, and we're going to be building a bed and stuff for it. We're going to be getting to that after we're done with all these, once we make room. But mainly a lot of LS swap stuff. Now we also have a 69 GMC 1-ton. It's all original. You might see me post some videos on it too here recently, or here soon. I'm sorry. It's got a 292 in it. It's got some carburetor issues and some drum brake issues, but we're not modifying nothing on it. We're just going to go fix what needs fixed on it. But that's me. That's what we're going to be doing. I will be posting shorts and videos. My videos might be coming along. I want you guys to see what I'm doing and how I do it. I want people to learn from my mistakes and gain knowledge. Not saying I'm the best. I like to help people, and this stuff I'm doing for me and my family, and it's my passion. But that's who I am.